Good morning, story friends. This is Miss B, and this morning I'm going to read you a story called Let It Rain. Now, I want you to think about why I chose this story and how it might relate to some of the other stories that I've told as you're listening to it. I know some people, we had a lot of rain. I know some people might want it to rain, have little April showers here and there to clear up some of that pollen. Here's the front cover, Let It Rain. And the author is Maryann Cocoa-Leffler. I don't know if I said that right, but it is a scholastic book. Let it rain, it's spring. Digging, tilling, seeds to sow, planting carrots in a row. How many vegetable signs can you spot that they're actually planting? But then heavy downpours, river floods, our flower garden turns to mud. Look at their faces. How do you think they feel right now? Let it rain, rainbows, green grass, soccer fun, picnic, swinging in the sun. Can you spot everything that they're doing in the pictures? Spot the rainbow. Lambs and bunnies, puppies lick, newborn kittens, and little chicks. Looks like during spring, all our baby animals are born. What setting do you think that's in? I'll show you again. Where do you think this part of the story is being taken place? I believe it's a farm. Building, planting, way up high, our little house is in the sky. What do you think that they're building? What kind of house do you think they're in? Let's hope we find out. But then, black flies, spiders, little ants, crawling inside farmers' pants. The little bugs ruined their picnic. Let it rain, riding, gliding, cupcake treats, twirling, dancing, bebop beats. But soon, steamy classrooms, blazing heat, wearing sandals on our feet. Hooray, hooray, last day of school, heading to the swimming pool. We're actually a little sad now that we unknowingly had a last day of school. Summer's coming, let it shine. Hope you guys enjoyed the book today, Let It Rain. It's talking about spring and summer, our two seasons that are, well, we've already started spring, but summer is the next season coming up. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I missed you, and I miss telling stories to you in person, but I hope you like these videos. Goodbye.